Greetings again from Marieviksbadet this winter, but it is 16th of December 2025 and we have just 9 days to Christmas, but you can see there is neither snow or ice here in Stockholm. And it is beach day number 163 on my Sweden beach adventures this year. So we have, now it is 2:42 p.m. and as I have seen on Google, the sunset is at 2:47 in 5 minutes, but as you can see, the sun is nowhere to be found, despite having some sun earlier today actually. And yeah, I did a beach adventure yesterday in Fagerhå at the Lake Magelungen, and I'm continuing today here. This is Mälaren, and in a very central area, I would say, just across that bridge over there, which is Liljeholmen, you can get to Södermalm, which is considered a central part of Stockholm. And this is obviously a newly built area, and it's called Marieviksbadet, and in Liljeholmskajen that is. And I'm with the speedos and with a Christmas Santa hat on, and I'm going to go for a quick dip in the water. I already checked the temperature. There was a temperature already there. It was 5 degrees Celsius in the lake and 6 degrees in the air, so quite okay, I would say. Here we have lots of people working, and they're looking at me like I'm a crazy person, but I don't mind the attention. So before it gets too dark, it's time for me to dive into the lake here. Mälaren, that is. Okay, now it starts to blow, so I will definitely need to take off my hat and go in for a quick dip. So winter, so far the winter has been very mild, not so much snow, not so much ice, and yeah, this is a newly opened beach this summer, and I have shown you already 2 or 3 times on my channel, and we're gonna be now going into this one of these pools. Actually, this is a lido, that is, because the water here is like part of the lake, but it's a bit divided because here there are many boats that are passing by during summer, obviously. And before it gets too dark, let's go in for a dip. And to show you the proof that it is 5 degrees Celsius in the water, we have a thermometer over here. Oh, it's freezing. See? 5 degrees Celsius in the water. Speaking of which, I will take a dip on the other end because it would be easier for me than to go down these steps, I realized. Only 9 days until Christmas, and hopefully we will get some sun and some snow soon, because Stockholm has been so far the darkest city in Sweden this December, which is not so common, as in summer it is one of the brightest cities in Sweden. As you can see it also from my beach adventures as well. Alright, so let's go in for a quick dip in the lake. Okay, 5 degrees Celsius is gonna be cold, but I'm a survivor and I will survive. And I have had pain in the legs in the previous day, so this would be good actually for the ice power bath. Okay, so we are then ready for a dip here in Marieviksbadet. Ready, set, and go! Okay, that's amazing. I'm not gonna lie, it's refreshing because it's not so cold outdoors. Plus temperatures indeed, and yeah, the water was quite nice indeed. I'm staying a bit with the legs only because it's cold. And yeah, that is another wrap for another beach adventure in Stockholm. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.